In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Confluence API key. Understanding how to manage your API keys is crucial for maintaining the security of your projects and integrations. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you know exactly what to do. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to admin.atlassian.com. Once there, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Atlassian account. On this page, you're going to look for the Security section. Go ahead and click on Security. Now that you're in the Security section, there's an option that says Create and Manage API Tokens. Click on it. This is where all the magic happens in terms of creating and managing your API keys. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because it's a good practice to keep your API keys organized. Now, you might see your current API key listed there. Before you proceed, you'll need to revoke this key. To do this, look for the option to Revoke next to your existing key and click on it. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, so click on Revoke again to make it official. With your previous key now safely revoked, it's time to create a new one. Look for the Create API Token button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Click on it to start the process of generating a new key. When prompted, you'll need to name your new API key. Choose a descriptive name that will help you remember the purpose of this key, perhaps something like Project Integration Key or API Access for Internal Tools. After you've named your new key, you'll see a Create button. Click on this button to generate your new API key. Keep in mind that once you click Create, you'll be provided with the new key. Make sure to store it somewhere safe because you'll need it for any applications or integrations that require access to your Confluence instance. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new API key for Confluence. This process not only helps keep your project secure, but also ensures that you have control over who or what can access your data. Make sure to repeat this process anytime you feel the need to refresh your security protocols or if you suspect that your existing key may have been compromised. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.